Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you the option and how to customize our talkback menu in Samsung Galaxy S22. So what is talkback menu? When our talkback is turned on, we need to tap 3 fingers on the screen to open our talkback menu.
Talkback on.
Let's demonstrate it. 3 fingers tap,
Talkback menu.
and we have
Read
our
from next item,
talkback
unless.
menu.
Cancel. Start navigate. Talkback off.
So how to customize this menu? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have our talkback function. In settings we need to go to customize gestures here, customize menus here, and here we have customize talkback menu. When we go in here, as you can see, we have a lot of functions that we can assign or turn off from our talkback menu. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.